It's your returning champion, Elgintensity, aka Trapneris Elgin-born mother of calves, and that's a motherfucking heifer, aka Tess Holiday. She's been receiving a lot of criticism and insults for glorifying obesity, so she posted this picture, taken from space, to glorify obesity even more and add fuel to the fire. Too bad she can't stoke her metabolism that easily. She wrote a sob story to accompany this picture, so let's find out what's eating away at her. She says, "This month tested my mental health, but here I am, still standing, still grateful, still happy, still a fat cover girl, but I'm also fucking exhausted." Everything's exhausting when you're built like the brain bug from Starship Troopers. However, I doubt that your mental health was in any real danger. You looked happier than a pig in shit when you were rubbing your Cosmo cover in everyone's faces not long ago. And here I thought only YouTubers played the depression card to excuse their behavior and keep milking their fans. She goes on to say, "I know this photo will piss people off. It will be shared worldwide while being mocked and judged, saying how I'm negatively affecting impressionable young minds, and I'm prepared for that. Sadly, you do leave a lasting impression on the young and foolish that's rivaled only by the impression you left on that field. My body has always felt like a war zone, but I've made peace with that. It's your minds that need to change. No, your body looks like it's surrendered in the war on obesity. And the day my mind becomes as susceptible to illness as your body is the day I'll change it." Finally, she says, "This is a photo that wasn't used from my self-cover shoot a couple months ago, and I am still in awe of how beautifully Catherine Serval captured me. I'm in awe of the fact that a poacher didn't shoot or capture you while you were grazing. It must have been that brightly colored bib." Hashtag F your beauty standards. More like hashtag Adobe Gains, because whoever photoshopped your cellulite removed more lines than the Ministry of Truth. I understand that touching up photos is a part of the modeling business, but you can't say F your beauty standards while downplaying or hiding your obesity-induced flaws. Several of Tess Holliday's supporters commented that they're also obese but have no health problems. Sure, and there are CrossFitters who haven't gotten injured yet. The key word is yet. You can live an unhealthy, retarded lifestyle no problem until it fucks you over. Tess Holliday looks like Violet Beauregard if she plumped up but turned purple due to edema. She might be making bank as the face of fat acceptance, but there's no point in having a golden ticket if your foolish behavior causes you to disappear early. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, now.
Everybody drugs them bodies sometime. Everybody tries the gear somehow.